Hello, today we will guide you through how to uninstall WARP Cloudflare. If you want to remove Cloudflare WARP from your Windows computer, this process is quick and straightforward. We'll be using the built-in control panel to locate the program and uninstall it properly. As you follow along, make sure to close Cloudflare WARP first if it's currently running, since that can help avoid interruptions during removal. To begin, press the Windows key on your keyboard. You can also click the search bar at the bottom of your screen if that's easier for you. This opens the Windows search feature, which is the fastest way to find system tools and settings. Once the search is open, type in Control Panel. As you enter it, Windows should start showing matching results. You're looking for the classic Control Panel app, which gives you access to installed programs and system settings. When you see Control Panel appear in the search results, click on it to open it. This will take you to the main Control Panel window. Depending on your view settings, the layout may look slightly different, but the option we need will still be there. Next, click on Uninstall a program. This is usually found under the Programs section. Selecting this opens a list of all the software currently installed on your computer. It may take a few seconds to load fully, especially if you have a lot of applications installed. Now look through the list for Cloudflare WARP. In some cases it may appear simply as Cloudflare, so take a moment to scan carefully. If the list is long, going slowly can help you avoid selecting the wrong program. Once you find Cloudflare WARP, right-click on it and select Uninstall. This will launch the uninstaller and begin the removal process. Depending on your system settings, you might see a confirmation prompt asking if you want to allow changes to your device. If that appears, go ahead and approve it so the uninstall can continue. After that, just follow any on-screen prompts until the uninstall is complete. In some cases, Windows may recommend restarting your computer afterward. If you're prompted to restart, it's a good idea to do so, as that helps finalize the removal. And that's it. You've successfully removed Cloudflare WARP from your Windows PC using Control Panel. If this guide helped, you can use the same general method to uninstall many other programs as well.